Conservatism is a way of thinking about politics, society, and life that focuses on keeping good things from the past and changing things slowly and carefully. It values traditions, family, community, religion, and stable rules that have worked over time. You see it in daily life when people respect old customs, like family holidays, church or temple gatherings, respect for elders, or keeping laws that protect marriage, national pride, and personal responsibility. Conservatives often say, if it isn't broken, don't fix it fast. This approach feels steady and safe because it builds on what history has tested. Imagine your family traditions or neighborhood rules that keep everyone connected and orderly. Conservatism wants to protect those instead of throwing them out for new experiments. It believes people are not perfect, so sudden big changes can cause harm. Better to improve step by step, learn from the past, and trust proven ways. Key simple ideas come from thinkers like Edmund Burke, late 1700s, who warned against fast revolutions after seeing the French Revolution's chaos. He said, "Society is like an old tree. Cut too much and it dies." Later, people like Russell Kirk listed basics, believe in a higher moral order, often from religion or nature, accept human flaws, value community over individuals alone, respect authority and order, and protect private property. Conservatism grew as a response to fast changes like the French Revolution, industrial shifts, and later, socialism or big government ideas. It helped shape parties in many countries, like Republicans in the US, limited government, strong defense, traditional values, or conservative groups in the UK, Europe, India, and elsewhere. In the US, it often mixes with ideas like free markets, strong military, and opposition to quick social changes, for example, on family or immigration. In 2026, conservatism shows in many places. Some countries like Hungary, Poland, India, or parts of the US push traditional values, national identity, and cautious policies. It supports strong borders, family focus, and limited government spending. Global economy grows steadily at 3.3% this year. Latest IMF January 2026 outlook, with tech like AI helping, but conservatives often warn about risks from too much change or debt. Good sides: it keeps society stable, respects what works, builds strong families and communities, encourages personal responsibility, and avoids risky experiments that hurt people. It protects freedom through law and order. Hard sides: critics say it can slow progress on issues like equality or environment, resist needed fixes for inequality or new problems, or seems stuck in the past. Wealth gaps stay big. Top 10% own about 3/4 of global wealth. Bottom half, just 2%. World Inequality Report 2026. And some conservatives focus more on tradition than fixing that fast. Conservatism is about loving what's proven, changing carefully, and holding on to moral and social anchors like family, faith, and nation. It balances freedom with responsibility and past wisdom with future needs. Which part of conservatism feels real to you, valuing tradition and family, preferring slow change, strong national pride, or something else? Share in the comments. Good talks help everyone understand better. If this easy explanation cleared things up, subscribe for more simple looks at big ideas.